Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again is still remaining Mane Oromi Jusmo, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, and this is Morning Exposition. This is Exposition 42, and your original driver is Emmanuel Oromi Jus, piloting you to your destination. If you are watching this very program, you need to share, hit the like button. Now I have come again. There is things that are going wrong, which some people have said, oh, remain neutral. But I have viewed some people who are telling me to remain neutral. They are biased. You look at the crimes, lies, deceits. The same way I left the POS, that is what these people are doing. Now let me be specific here. Akparawa, Ogechukwu, Nkere, Chiamaka, these three people made a program telling Biafra people that there is accountability. Oh, they are telling them accountability. Whereas it was a pure lies and fallacy. They know that they were lying and they still went ahead to do that very program, accountability, just because some of you have had accountability before, which I kick against. I have been in the right side of this very struggle. I kick against that accountability. Now, they stood on the thing of accountability to tell you people, oh, the same accountability is coming back just to buy your sympathy. And some of you believe it. Some of the gullibles that they have went to tell this nonsense believe it. And you think that you are telling the truth. First, there is nothing called accountability. Mazi Simon Ekpa ordered that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze should take over. You should ask yourself, among all this nonsense noise that they are making, have you heard Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, a woman at that matter, coming to internet to make noise? Have you heard her coming to internet to banter wars? That is to tell you the shoes of these people. My own, I respect people. If you don't respect yourself, I wouldn't respect you. I know they look your face. Now, some people have reached out to me. Oh, remain neutral. Oh, we are going to attack you on social media. Some people, we are going to attack you. I welcome every attack. After all, Obontunu Uruago have said it. But let me remain specific. Master Simon Ekpa told Ngozi Orabueze, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, to take over. These people said no, that they cannot obey that order. Ask them. I spoke with Chiamaka. He called me because of the love he knew that I have in this very struggle. Not only him, a lot number of people, I have reached out to a lot number of people, I have equally, but he called me and he told me, brother, I know that you love Biafra. Look at these things which I'm going to tell you. If you like, you can record me. But for the love you have for PN and for the love you have for Biafra, I am willing to explain things to you. I said, okay. Due to where I was, I said, when I get home, I will reach out to you myself. I got home, I reached out to Chiamaka. We spoke as a brother and as a comrade. I asked him, did Mazi Simon Ekpa ordered Dr. Ngozi Orabueze to take over? He told me that there is a stand, which is stand. I said, did he? He said, yes, according to the letter that was posted, but that letter we are not to be believed. The letter, I have been briefed on the letter before, but he read the letter to me, which they know, and he know where the letter came from. But after reading the letter to me, there is a word that he added. He said, did we obey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu order when he ordered from DSS? Did we obey? So why must we obey this one? I told him, if there is any conclusive reason, if there is any thing that Mazi Simon Ekpa ordered for that particular thing, you people need to obey and stop coming to social media. I was specific on the social media issue. You people should go inside and do your homework. Go and unite. But what he was trying to say is that they wouldn't obey Mazi Simon Ekpa. And he went further to say that it was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's own that's supposed to be obeyed because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria. I looked at it. I have some objection. But I asked this my very comrade, Chiamaka, who have been on social media here fighting the freedom with me, because my social media there, I know they do. I asked him a question. I asked him, why is it that the enemies of Biafra, I saw their publications, I saw their posts, all of them are against this very woman. That was what I asked him. Why is it that all of them are against this particular woman? I said, like, some of you now, I know that some of you now sell out. I know they hide my own. Because no, now go gossip me, give you Mwawa Anyogri. He said, who is Mwawa Anyogri? I said, on to Nuru. He said he doesn't know him. I said, Munye Ifeanyi Oba, na South Africa. He said he doesn't know him. I said, Ikenga Uruagu. He said, oh, Ikenga. From all these things that I counted, and he said he doesn't know him, I started suspecting him. My own, I go talk my own. Nobody will beat me. I started suspecting him because nobody that doesn't know all these names that I counted. So how can a fellow who knows me as a Manekoro who said, or you watch my videos, you don't know all these things? I started suspecting him. I said, these people were against this very woman. And he said something again. Chiamaka Ajere said that in Finland, they objected. Dr. Ngozi Oraboeze did not discuss declaring of Biafra with anybody. She went ahead to declare Biafra. As a CSO, you don't take excuse from anywhere. If you suspect a foul play, what you need to do is to stand your ground. As a CSO, we are in freedom movement and not full republic. Even though we have declared our republic, we are in freedom movement. The leader must take charge of every apparatus. That is what freedom is known for. He said that they objected the declaration. But Dr. Ngozi Oraboeze gave an excuse that they are going to scatter this thing if she did not declare. She has to declare it the first day. These have been accumulated angers in them, not taking excuse, but this is freedom. Freedom, you respect whosoever that is in charge, and not, oh, I have been here, do you know who I am? What I see going on now is, I have been here, do you know who I am? My own, I know they keep them tomorrow. How can Mazi Simon Ekpa tell her to take charge? And she said, okay, you people should come and tell me where una stop so that I will know. Una carry and come social media said she's saying accountability, whereas you know that you are lying. All of you got that message. But the main thing is that you don't want to obey the message. All of una where they disgrace on herself. I watched the space meeting. The one called Sonia Akparawa was very, very rubbish, disgracing himself and his ancestors. Don't you think that this is freedom movement? Again, una drag Butozo inside it. And I must tell you, Butozo, stay clear from freedom. These things, stay clear. You are a man on the ground. You are very respected. Stay clear and maintain yourself. Anybody where they bring gossip come for you, tell and say, make they go and settle. Why I am saying this about you, Butozo? When Madam Azuka had a problem, She told me that she have liaised with you people to stop anything. That you assured him, that you assured her that you will stop anything that you people are doing until she is reinstated. Are you fighting for personalities or are you fighting for somebody? Master Simon Ekpa in his address said, immediately Biafra is declared, this government will be trashed out. And now you declare Biafra. You people are saying, oh, it's too early. It's too early. So you want to go backward government. You want to go by the DOS. Oh, my status. I don't want to lose my status. Do you come to freedom to proclaim status, or do you come to freedom to stand for the freedom of your own people? I am asking you because you're on the ground. I have been on the ground and I know the dangers on the ground. And that is the reason why I'm talking to you. Commander Butuzo, you're a well-respected commander. You're a well-respected somebody. Biafra people respect you. And you must tell these Mpiampia demons to stay clear, not to drag your name in the mud. You are a well-respected. Every Biafran respects you, including me, myself. Anybody bringing this thing, even in this very freedom, you are like a father, patterning the key that you have played. Anybody bringing gossip to you, tell them to go and settle. Now they don't carry your name come social media. Now you fundraising ordered approved by Butuzo. Now again, they came on social media to lie to the people that somebody is trying to stop fundraising, which is a pure lie. Ogechukwu Nkere was called. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I am not sure about 3. You know me, I will be sincere in whatever I do. So that in your name, Ogechukwu Nkere was called and he refused to appear. Now, if you are the one that Master Simon Ekpa assigned, do you wish that they should continue fundraising in the account of the same person who refused to obey, who refused to appear? Oh, go and do fundraising. We do, in this freedom, we do things in order. You can never be bigger than Madam Ajoka. But she was taken by the side. Who are you? Are you bigger than her? 1, 2. And I heard, after the arrest of Master Simon Ekpa, I heard that, no, the gossip can't give me. I did my own. People, the gossip can't give me. I heard that some of them that came said, Dr. Ngozi is a sabo, that they will remove her. No, gossip can't give me. Some of the people where gossip can't give me is still there. She says, they will remove her. I am aware of the plan to remove her. How? So after the Simon Ekpa allowed her until Master Simon Ekpa was arrested, now then no say she be sabo. But again, there is something that happened. After I told Chiamaka that the only person that the Indian Zama is targeting is this woman. I spoke with him day before yesterday night. And early hours of yesterday, Ikengu posted that they should go and take protest on Chiamaka Ajere. Ndị Nzama started posting about Chiamaka Ajere, which means my communication with him was equally communicated to these people. My own, I might be right, I might be wrong. Quote me right, but this is what I suspected. I discussed, when I talked about Obontunu, you claim that we don't know him. You claim that we don't know him. Munifani Oba na South Africa, so you claim that we don't know him. I said Ikenga. What you said is Ikenga. How you answered me, I have my suspicion. I said, is anything going on here? Is somebody talking? Are you the person talking to Ikenga Uruaga? And after which, Munagi Uruaga in the night, early hours of tomorrow morning, Ikenga Uruaga publish it. public started saying that they should go and protest against you. Did somebody tell anyone, oh, publish me? Because I told you, I hated this very woman because of the gossip and the gossip can't give me. But I only made a U-turn because I saw Ndi Nzama publishing that same woman. That is where I started loving that woman. And the next morning, Ndi Nzama started even publishing you so that I will love you. People should take time. Sonia Akparawa, I have heard you. You asked people yesterday, did account to have problem? You know that you are lying. At the appointed time, Master Simon is coming out. Una go know. All of you see three of them. You will learn in a hard way. Lying to Biafra people, turning Biafra people, this was exactly what Madam Azoka did. But she did never sabotage Biafra like you people. She did the same thing, going to men on the ground. Oh, until she returns back, nothing will work. So you are ready to jeopardize Biafra people. Lying to Biafra people that she wanted to stop fundraising. She never wished to stop any fundraising. According to Una, I never hear from her. Because now waiting Una tell me I take the judge. Before I spoke with Chiamaka, I have spoken to numbers of people that supported you people. I have spoken to numbers of people that supported you people. And in that numbers of people that supported you people, now me even call Adadi Oramma. I called Adadi Oramma. What is happening? What she told me is that Nna nwanne m amakwa nke na-eme. I said I want to know what is happening. She said she don't know. Whatever stand that I take, nobody should blame me. She said, Nna nwanne m, you know the truth. I know that you have never taken wrong step in this very struggle. Stand on the truth. Imanuonye the wrong, observe and stand on that truth. That was what Adadi Oramma told me. Na me call him. I call him, he no pick. I called like 4 times. I was furious. I called 247. 247 told me, Emma, Jiriamayo, observe. The truth, you shall see the truth. You know my own, I go talk am for public. So that you will not say, oh, this guy is lying. Oh, this guy. Whatever my dealings is in the secret, I used to make it public. But speaking to these numbers of people, of Nkere, can you people respect yourselves and know that freedom is sacrosanct? What you people are not telling Biafra people is position. Oh, Minister of this, Akparawa, Minister of Nkere. That is what you people are dragging position. Can you people please cover on our face with shame? All of you. All of you. Una confirm to me, say, Maazi Simon ever sent message. Make una go obey. Una come they say, after all, Maazi Nnamdi Kanu send message and was not obeyed. How can you obey the message of somebody who did in DSS? You not obey the message of the person who is in overseas, who directed you. Obey this person, whatever she says goes. Before the direction, I used to say, this was a woman that some people have corrupted my mindset to hate her. But when Master Simon ever said, let everybody, I begin to think, left, right, and center. I fall in line. And your people don't want to fall in line. Maka office. Biafra people, if you are listening to me, if you go do fundraising to them, you are doing fundraising based on the individual. They need to go and fall in line. If they said that they respect Master Simon Ekpa, which they are lying to you, that, Master Simon Ekpa is not around, some people want to change, but you confirm to me that Master Simon Ekpa sent message. And that message is not to be obeyed. You are not telling Biafra people that one. You are not telling Biafra people that one. But what you want to tell Biafra people is that, she is taking her stand. She is doing as if. Is that the type of lies that you people want me to obey? I can never obey lies. This way, the thing that made me to leave Ndinzama is because of lies and deceit. The same way, because I know some they gossip me, go give him, make una take the same way, because I never discussed with Chiamaka Jere finish, telling him why I made a U-turn is because Ndinzama is insulting that very woman. The next day, he came and started attacking the same Chiamaka. Is somebody telling somebody, publish me, so that people will know that I'm original? Okay, I get sense. You people should respect yourself. Freedom is sacrosanct. It doesn't matter whatever three of you do. And those who are hiding, it doesn't matter. I have read, I listened carefully to una rubbish yesterday space. And I wait solemnly that you people will reply, I am waiting for you people to reply. People disgrace on social media. The same lies that I ran away from Ndinzama, that is the same lies you want to tell me. But I wouldn't say more than this. Going to Commander Butozo to tell him, let us maintain our position. Is there anything that you are getting from that position? That fundraising, are you using our money? Come and tender, let me know where I am. As long as Simon Ekpa have ordered me to take over and said whatever she says goes. And you people want her to come and lead Akparawa. Lead Akparawa. Success may Bia Obako, na-aga meeting after meeting, Nazo, corrupting people's mindset, sending people to go and talk to people, to stand away, don't talk. Because you people want to sell lies to Biafra people. Uchu ndia, Okwabacha also agoma, Uchu nine na nzuzu neuzu on social media. And by this, three of una, including those who go join una no get any respect from me again. You people should go to hell. Three of you and una no get any respect from me again. When Master Simon Ekpa come out, from me from here. It is good morning, please.